Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rita Singh. I am working as a glaucoma consultant in Lotus Eye Care Hospital. I am here to create awareness about glaucoma. Glaucoma is a disease which affects the optic nerve, which is responsible for the vision. At present, about 12.5 million population is affected due to glaucoma in India, and among that around 1.5 million people have lost their vision due to glaucoma. What is glaucoma? Let us take it as a frequently asked question. So, glaucoma is a disease which involves the optic nerve, and how it develops? There is a fluid inside our eye which is called aqueous humor, which continuously gets secreted and it exits our eye. And once this equilibrium is disturbed, the eye fluid stays inside our eye, and gradually it increases our eye pressure, and this increase in eye pressure, it affects the optic nerve, and gradually we start losing our sight. The next question is, are there many types of glaucoma? Yes, at least there are 40 variants or more than 40 variants of glaucoma, but we broadly divide them as open angle glaucoma and close angle glaucoma. Even after that, there are several categories, but this is the broader classification. And the next thing is, who can get it? Who are the people, those who are getting affected due to glaucoma? Are there any risk factors? Definitely yes. If you are aged above 40 years, if you have a history of steroid use, if you have a history of injury, if you are a diabetic or hypertensive, if you have a history of like consanguineous marriage where the people they get married among relatives, and there are several other factors like infection, inflammation. There are several categories which can lead to glaucoma. There is one more category. All these categories, the eye pressure will be very high. There is one entity, it is called normal tension glaucoma, where the eye pressure remains inside the normal level, which is the normal level is considered as 10 to 20 millimeter of mercury. And so in the normal tension glaucoma, the pressure always remains under the normal category, but still the optic nerve gets damaged. So there are other factors like blood pressure or sugar which can also affect the optic nerve, and simultaneously the patient starts losing the vision. So the next question arises is, who can get glaucoma? Is everybody susceptible for it? No, there are certain risk factors. Like if you are more than 40 years of age, if you have a prior history, family history of glaucoma, if somebody in your family is affected by glaucoma, there are chances that you can also get affected by it. If you are using steroid, if you have a history of injury, if you are on any medication which can increase the eye pressure. There are certain medication migraine which is known to cause a rise in eye pressure. If you have a diabetes, if you have a hypertension, which can affect the retina by causing bleeding, any bleeding inside the retina, it can also induce glaucoma. So there are many things like consanguineous marriage, where the people they get married between the relations. So that cause of glaucoma can cause it affects the newborn. A newborn baby can also get affected. So are there any symptoms from which you can think that maybe I am having glaucoma? Usually glaucoma, in most of the cases, it is not symptomatic. People silently lose their vision. It just starts from the periphery and it starts coming to and grabs your central vision. And patients remain asymptomatic till the last stage. But there are certain type of glaucoma like angle closure glaucoma, where you may have little halos around the lights. When you look at the bulbs, you can see the small colored halos around the light. And there are high pressure glaucomas which may cause frequent changes of your glasses. You may feel that last month only you have changed and now again your pressure power is changing. You should think of glaucoma and you go for a glaucoma eye workup. So how do we approach towards the glaucoma if there is no symptom? So here is the thing. The answer is comprehensive eye examination, which includes the detailed eye examination of every symptom and sign of the glaucoma. The first thing which seeks our attention is eye pressure. Once the patient comes inside our hospital, we take the eye pressure of the patient. Then we do gonioscopy, which looks about the which helps us to diagnose the type of glaucoma, what type of glaucoma you are having, and there are field changes or not. So as I said, glaucoma involves your peripheral vision first. So we have certain tests to test your peripheral vision or sight vision we call it. Then there are tests to scan your retinal thickness. In glaucoma, what happens? The thickness of the retina, it goes down. So we have very advanced technology to early detect even before your peripheral vision loss, the scanning which tells that you are susceptible to develop glaucoma, and we can prevent the disease at that stage. So next question is, can glaucoma be prevented? Yes, in certain cases. If you are a educated person, you are a literate person, you know about glaucoma, that what are the risk factors involved. If you are wearing a high minus power or high refractive error, you are a steroid responder, you have a history of injury. If you know you have a person in your family who has glaucoma, you can go for early checkup. Like you can start by going like 30 years, 40 years of age. Go for a detailed eye examination with a very good glaucoma consultant who knows about it, who can detect glaucoma at early stage, early sign of glaucoma, and at that stage, if they pick up the signs, they can start early treatment, and you can be very well prevented. There is a certain type of glaucoma, like angle closure glaucoma, where we can detect it before the development of the process. We do a small laser, and the disease process is stopped. So what happens next? Once you are diagnosed with glaucoma, what are the treatment options? So there are three things. One, we can go for a medical treatment. Second thing is we can go for a laser. And third is surgical treatment, obviously. Surgical treatment is available for all type of glaucoma. We have conventional trabeculectomy where we create a diversion. The idea is to shift the fluid of the eye which is getting collected inside the eye and create a channel and push it inside some natural source. And there are artificial sources like implants and balls where we can use those tubings to shift the fluid out of the eye. Then lasers are available, which are available for both the angle closure variety glaucoma and also for the open angle glaucoma. So what is the prognosis of glaucoma? Once you are diagnosed with it, are you going to get blind or what is going to happen? That is a question which usually we hear from the patients. So I would like to tell you that glaucoma is an irreversible process. Once it is started, we cannot regain the vision. Once lost, it is lost. We can only, that all the treatment options are available only to prevent, to maintain the existing vision. So whatever medicine or treatment I have told you, the medical, laser or surgery, all these are to maintain the vision of the patient, existing vision. So the message is, the glaucoma is irreversible, but it is treatable. If we can diagnose the glaucoma early, we can treat it early, and we can stop the glaucoma, the blindness due to glaucoma.